So Fulham 2, Arsenal 1. We have ended 2023 with back-to-back losses against West Ham and Fulham. 1 win in 5, 1 win in 6 in all competitions. And it's not looking good. We are so predictable, people. And now we're currently 4th, 1 point ahead of Ange Postecoglou's Tottenham. But there we go. Is what it is. Big up to Matty. Southern Gooner. Link will be in the title. Make sure you check out the fan cams. Myself, Matty, Kenny. No Jez today. Unfortunately, he's at a party with a Spurs fan. So, yeah, I'm sure that conversation's going well. Him and his wife are at a New Year's Eve party. But, yeah, Matty, give us your little breakdown, bro, before we get into the easiest player ratings of 2023.
Man, it's just clear cut, man. It's time for Arteta to be out of there. That was a shambolic display. We had a chance to go back, hope to the top, finish the year, at the top for whatever that's worth. And we turn right around and we go from 1st to 4th in less than a week. No different than what we've done the last several years that we had to do anything, had to play a game that meant anything. We end up going on the back end of it and struggling. Anytime the pressure is ramped up on this team, we fold. We don't have a team that's mentally stable enough to deal with pressure. We don't have a manager who has the tactics to deal with this kind of pressure. He needs to be moved on before he spends another dime in this team. And we've got more trouble on the horizon. More trouble is on the horizon, ladies and gentlemen. But, yes, this will be, quite frankly, probably the quickest player rating you've ever seen here on this channel.
Yeah, facts. If you don't like the ratings, cry. We don't care. We're back against Liverpool in the cup. And like I said, make sure you smash the likes up. Make sure you sub to Matty's channel, Southern Gooner. Like I said, it's in the title. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well, because tomorrow I will be doing the Liverpool-Newcastle game on that channel as well. So plenty of watch-alongs coming up in there for La Liga as well in the next coming days. Let's go with the goalkeeper. Everyone was buzzing. He was the positive sign for saving the penalty against Ben Rama the other day. Yeah, what happened today?
Bro, he had one great save, and that was it. I'm going to give him a 6 out of 10. Oh, hold on, wait. Now she wants to. I know, baby. I know. She's right down the hall. She's like, we got to get her ready to go. So
7 minutes. 7 minutes. 7 minutes. We're done.
We're done. Give me.
7 minutes. Right. We're finished.
Yeah, they bro. I'll tell you, Brazil get on you, boy. They're like, and if I'm late, I know I'm in trouble. That's my head. Anyway, David Raya, 6 out of 10, and that'll be it. We'll move on.
Right, let's move on real quick. Kivior, hooks at halftime.
0. Offered nothing. Never. He should not be playing in this club anymore after January. He should be moved on.
Let's go to Benjamin White, Benjamin Tan, Benny Blanco.
Quite frankly, I didn't even realize he played that much until we saw him on camera a few times when we were on the broadcast. He was nowhere to be found. 3 out of 10. One right, left shoe, right shoe, and ran around one or two times.
Yep. Let's go to William Saliba. Very lucky he didn't give a penalty away.
Saliba
didn't have any idea that guy was behind him.
His form is starting to dip. It's not consistent this year, Lee. It's like this. And you're correct. He was lucky he did not get a red on that. Looked a little bit nervy today again, which is a cause for concern. But I guess we'll get to his partner in crime in a second. But I guess that happens when one starts to get the gene again, it affects the other one. Saliba, 5 out of 10.
Let's go to the Bozo gene. Oh my days. Bozo for both goals the other day. Bozo gene again today.
Bozo gene gets a 2 out of 10. He is out of the 2 center backs, he really starting to worry me. He's starting to worry me because he's reverting back to who he was. And I thought, we thought he turned the corner, but the last couple of games it's getting worse and worse.
Let's go into midfield. Say hi to Declan.
You know, I said it in my fan cam. Declan Rice, that stench is starting to rub off on him, man. And he's had 2 or 3 stinkers in a row. It's getting rough, man. Hopefully he can refine his form, but right now, man, he's out of form as well. A lot of bad passes, errant passes today, Lee. Just passes to nowhere, passes to nobody. I feel like he's trying to do too much.
Yep.
I feel like he's trying to influence the game a lot, you know, and it's cool he has that desire, but he should not have to feel like he has to try to do that. So with him, we're going to give him a 4 out of 10 today.
Let's go to our highest paid player back from suspension. We missed him against West Ham.
That's what they said.
Yeah. 280 grand a week he's just nicked. He's going to have a happy new year, isn't he? What are we saying to 29?
We didn't miss him today because he was nowhere to be seen. 0 out of 10. We're back to the old school Havertz ratings again. 0 out of 10.
Captain, leader, goosebumps, hair flicks, snotting on the palm of his hand and wiping it in his hair before he took a free kick, mate.
Disgusting. That was disgusting.
That was horrible. I can't lie. That was disgusting.
You talk about filthy, man. That was one of the most filthiest things I've ever seen. 0 out of 10. This guy needs to be set down. We need a replacement for him. I know he's the captain. I know he's signed a contract. It's time to bring in somebody that can provide some real creative spark. This gentleman has 3 assists in 25 games. There's nothing to discuss. That's cold, hard facts. Some clown is going to come in here and say, well, assists don't matter. Well, assists are what gets the goals.
But he's the creative spark.
Yeah.
I think he's about 50-odd in the creative chances stats this year in the Premier League.
Yeah, he today, I'm going to tell you what's going to get him off the hook with a lot of people is he was on the ball a lot. And just because he was on the ball a lot, that doesn't mean he created anything. He was just all over the place with the ball. Going backwards.
He's a PR merchant, man. Give me the ball. Oh, let me take a shot. I'll flick my hair. Come on, expected waves. Yeah. Guy's a joker, bruv. Let's go to another joker. Yeah, Rance tweeted the other day, about Jogger Benito. Yeah, Jogger Finito, bruv. Gabriel Martinelli.
Oh, man. It's getting worse and worse for him, man. I mean, people are going to say, well, he took the shot that led to the goal. Man, that was a fluke goal. And I'm glad we got it. Yeah, I was like, it was a fluke. But, let's just call it like it is. He's not been playing good, man. And quite frankly, he should have been dropped. Jesus should have been in his position. And we should have had other players moved around. Trossard shouldn't have had to be in midfield again. He should have been right there at the center. We should have moved stuff around to make it work. We'll get there. We'll get to Zamunda in a little bit, but this here today, it's time to go start looking for some competition for this gentleman.
Yeah, facts. I totally agree. But he tried to bring in competition with Trossard. He tried to sign Mudryk. Yeah, this manager ain't feeling him. Yeah, but because he's got pace, he keeps playing him because Trossard don't have the pace to hurt him on the break. Anyway, let's go to Star Boy. Star Boy scored the goal, gave up in the end. And I didn't even notice this during the game. I don't know if you remember seeing it. He kicked Paulinho off the ball. And Kenny said that it was right in front of the away fans. And he was very lucky to not get a red card. Yeah, but the away fans today, and listen, Arsenal away fans are elite. Yeah, apart from the ones that walked out in 75th minute. Yeah, they are elite. Yeah. The away fans were on Saka's case the whole game. He gave up today. He gave up against West Ham. Yes, he scored a goal, but he was awful, man.
Yeah, it was rough, man. Saka is out of form. There's several factors to why he's out of form, but he just done body language is starting to tell me he doesn't give a damn. It's kind of like, I got my goal, man, and I'm good, man. I'll just make it look like I'm doing something, and that's concerning for me. It's either one, he's tired. His manager don't want to say it. B, he's tired. C, he's tired. B, he's tired. C, playing injured again. There's so many variables that play with him. But right now, he's out of form. He's out of form as well. And I don't know what we can do to get him back. I know he scored the goal today, and people are like, he scored the goal. What are you two complaining about? What are you talking about? That does not hide the fact that there are areas of concern when it comes to his play throughout an entire 90-minute game.
Yeah.
And for me, I'm going to give him a 4 out of 10.
Let's go to our friend. He obviously didn't get any credit for Christmas. The King of Zamunda.
Oh, man, this guy here, bro. When I saw the lineup, immediately I knew it was wrong. And I was wondering, well, what on earth brought this on? What did he do in practice? I guess he washed the extra car this week at the training ground. Buffed a couple of windshields. Vacuumed the rug here there. Took out some trash. Cleaned up the dog crap from the dog. We'll give you a spot start this weekend. Okay, yeah, I'll take that, coach. He comes out, hadn't done anything. And then his play today showed it again. Why is this guy still playing at this club? I saw a report earlier this week that Arteta said that he is, you got to take these reports with a grain of salt, but it was stated that Arteta said he is not up for sale. If that alone should get him sacked for wanting to hold on to that.
Yep.
It's time for this manager and Nketiah to both leave out at the same time. Same day. It need to go on the same day. It need to be moved out. Nketiah, for me, 0 out of 10. Nothing's going to change for him throughout the year. He'll probably score a goal against Sheffield or somebody, one of these rinky-dink teams. But as far as when it counts, we can't count on him. It's time to put him on the plane back to Zamunda.
Make your apologies as loud as your disrespect after a hat trick against Sheffield.
He did not go to the Black Awareness rally.
Let's move on to the subs. Halftime sub, Tommy Cafu.
I mean, he replaced Kivior. Should have started. He put in some decent effort. I'll give him a 5 out of 10.
Let's go to Gabriel Jesus.
Offered nothing.
My man's like this because he's so small. He was looking over their centre backs as a ball's being crossed.
0 out of 10.
I agree. He was awful, mate. He was absolutely shocking. Yeah, shocking. Absolutely awful. If you don't like the ratings, cry. We don't care. Yeah, we're back for the Liverpool game. Who else came on? I was that bored. Who else came on? Trossard. Oh, my days.
0 out of 10. He put across the 2 in. I give him a 0.5.
Last but by no means least, 100 grand a week, 5 million quid cash up front to sign a new deal. Reese.
0 out of 10.
And if you don't like the ratings, cry. We're going to do a 3, 2, 1 countdown and rate this bum manager that we've been telling you for years is a bum. Yeah. 3, 2, 1.
-6.
Unbelievable.
Time to go, Lee.
It is time to go. That's the title. That's the title of the player ratings. It's time to go. Big up Claudio, my fallen soldier. Big up Chiggy Chigga as well. Come on. Yeah, big up to both of them, man. Come on. Matty, I know you. It's time to go because wifey's giving it all.
You got Brazilian standing looking at you. It's time to go. So,
bro, I've got the Romanian doing the same. Like,
yeah.
But listen, thanks for all your support this year, man. And
hey, likewise, brother. Have thoroughly enjoyed it, man. And
you have the best one-liners. Americans have the best one-liners. Yeah, because with the American accent, it just sounds even funnier, bro. So when you come up with something, I'm just like, when you said the King of Zamunda, bro, that's the best one-liner of the year. So thank you, man. Have a wonderful evening with the wifey, and
happy New Year, you too, brother. Enjoy yourself, man, and relax
as well. Hopefully it'll be a happy new year for us as Arsenal fans because we can end this phase Marvel series crap and actually get some elite level in this football club.
Dude out of here, man. It's time to go.
Yeah, man. It's time to go. Make sure you sub to Matty and we're out. Laters.